Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make nachos with leftover rice. First, spread your cooked rice thinly on a baking sheet, ensuring it forms an even layer. Drizzle with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes until the rice is golden and slightly crispy. This creates a unique and flavorful base for your nachos, transforming simple leftovers into a delightful meal. Once your rice base is perfectly crispy, it's time to build your nachos. Evenly distribute your chosen protein, like seasoned ground beef or black beans, over the rice. Then, generously sprinkle about 1 cup of shredded cheddar or Monterey Jack cheese across the entire surface. You can also add a few slices of jalapenos for a little kick. Return the baking sheet to the oven for 5 to 7 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. After the cheese is perfectly melted, carefully remove your nachos from the oven. Now for the fun part, adding your fresh toppings. A generous dollop of sour cream, a spoonful of your favorite salsa, and some freshly chopped cilantro are classic choices. You could also add diced avocado or a squeeze of lime juice for extra brightness. Serve these delicious, unique nachos immediately while they are warm and crispy. These leftover rice nachos are a fantastic way to reduce food waste and enjoy a truly unique and delicious meal. They're incredibly versatile, so feel free to get creative with your toppings and seasonings. Whether it's for a quick snack or a fun dinner, this recipe is sure to be a hit. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.